In this video lesson, we'd like to talk about how to analyze the volume by the horizontal chart. Let's continue to analyze the volume. In the last video, we talked about vertical histograms. Vertical volumes can give us useful information, but they cannot specify the important support and resistance levels. Also, using them, it's difficult to find the optimal point of entry and exit from the position. To indicate important levels, it's better to use horizontal chart. Next, I will discuss how best to use them. Horizontal chart of volumes shows the total number of transactions for the selected period of time, in this case a day, at a certain price. They are here. We can see the prices that satisfy the majority of buyers and sellers. We can also see the price ranges where there are few buyers and sellers. On the other hand, there is a range that is more suitable to sellers. There were few buyers. Aggressive buyer or seller is one who enters into position at the current market price without waiting for the execution of limit orders. Aggressive entry into the position also confirms the significant levels. The amount of savings is also important. The higher the amount of savings, the more important the level. Important levels often act as a support and resistance levels when prices approach them. October 23 will allocate significant levels of savings. We can consider the upper levels to open short positions, the level levels for opening long positions. Let's see how these levels would have worked out in the next trading session. It can be seen that the price several times bid off the upper and lower levels. The response of a price to the level is very important. If the price bids off the level, then the market reacts to it and you can take that into account, like in here. It is also important where the volume is accumulated, above or below. Often the price makes a false move, but the volumes are rarely false. Either volume didn't break the level. Therefore, placement of the volume above or below gives more information than just behavior of the price around the level. Position of the price above the important volume gives greater chance of making money when buying tools. Position of the price under the volume gives more opportunities to earn money by selling tools. For example, if the price is below important levels, it is assumed that the bulls are still not strong enough, so the bears will be able to lower the price. Like the vertical histograms, using horizontal bar graphs you can analyze not only the volume, but also the delta, bids and asks, as well as the last significant volume. To do this, we need to open the module cluster chart. In the menu setup, we expose scale setup. In the column left scale, we enter the delta. Green histogram means the level of the asks. Red one means the bids. These histograms indicate where are the aggressive buyers and sellers. We can also see the separate bids and asks of the last significant volume. Horizontal volume can be compared with the different periods of the same tool. To do this, open the module Combo Bear. In this case, there is the ticker Mini CNP. Type week with interval of 10 minutes. We see that the accumulation of the previous week remained at the bottom. This week, accumulation was quite weak. Knowing where large volumes were formed, where they are located, can give us information on the forecast of the price movement. In the future lessons, we will tell you about the cluster and tick analysis. Cheers!